How to Export Telegram Chat History 2026 Full Guide. Did you know you can export and save your entire Telegram chat history, every message, photo, video, and file, straight to your device? If you've never done this before, you're about to learn one of the most useful things Telegram can do. Welcome back. Today we're walking through exactly how to export your Telegram chat history in 2026, whether it's a personal chat, a group, or a channel. We'll cover both the desktop and mobile methods, so no matter what device you're on, you're fully covered. Let's jump in. Step 1, the easiest and most complete way to export chat history, is through the Telegram desktop app on your computer. If you don't have it yet, go to telegram.org, download the app for Windows or Mac, and log in with your phone number. Step 2, once you're inside Telegram desktop, open the specific chat or group whose history you want to export. Step 3, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of that chat window. Step 4, from the drop-down menu, select Export Chat History. Step 5, a settings window will appear giving you full control over what to export. You can choose to include photos, videos, voice messages, files, and even stickers. Select everything you want to save. Step 6, choose your date range if you only need messages from a specific time period. Or leave it set to export everything. Step 7, select the file format. HTML gives you a nicely formatted readable file you can open in any browser, while JSON is better if you want to use the data for other purposes. Step 8, choose your download folder location on your computer, then click Export. Telegram will process and download everything directly to that folder. Pro tip if you're on mobile and need a quick solution without a computer. You can forward important individual messages to your saved messages folder inside Telegram, which acts like a personal cloud storage. Just press and hold any message, tap forward, and select saved messages. It's not a full export, but it's a great way to back up what matters most on the go. And that's your complete guide to exporting Telegram chat history in 2026. You now know how to back up any conversation with full control over what gets saved. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss a useful tutorial, and drop a comment below telling me, are you exporting for backup or moving to a new device? I'd love to know. See you in the next one.